You don't need a laptop or expensive gadget to start forex trading. If you're a complete beginner and you're interested in forex trading, stay till the end of this video because I'll show you how you can start trading just by using your mobile phone, be it iOS or Android. If you find value at the end of this video, I appreciate if you subscribe if you have not subscribed. And if you have any question, just drop them in the comment section. I promise to respond within 24 hours. You can also join our Telegram community where I share free resources. The link is in the description of this video or check the comment section. Let's do this. Step 1. What you need. First, let's be clear. You only need 3 things to start trading with your phone. The first thing is going to be a smartphone, right? The second thing is going to be internet connection. And number 3 is going to be your trading apps. I'll show you how to go about this one step by step. You don't need a laptop, no special software at all. And all what I'll show you in this video is going to be completely free. Step 2, we are going to download our trading apps. Okay, now let me show you the app I use. So just go to App Store or Google Play Store if you are using Android, and just like what search for these apps that I'm going to show you here. So when you go to the search icon, just type MetaTrader. All right, and MetaTrader 5. So if you tap this MetaTrader, we have 2 types. So this MetaTrader is like the app where we are going to place our trade, whether you want to enter for a buy or enter for a sell. I will explain about that shortly. So this is MetaTrader 5. Just take this to be like the most advanced and recent version, or I like the iPhone 15, iPhone 16. Okay, and this is the MetaTrader 4. Just take this to be like the iPhone 10, 11, 12. So you just need to what? Install this or download this one, MetaTrader. Okay, mine has already been installed or downloaded. So just like download, then you'll see stuff like this. Don't worry, I'll show you how to set this one up. So this is the first app you are going to need. The next thing we need to do is to create our trading account. Okay, so we have like different brokers, and these are my recommended brokers. So you are going to just click the link in the description or check the comment section. You are going to arrive at this particular home page. Just check the comment section, you see a link pin. When you click, you are going to see this interface, or you check the description of this video. So now you are going to see create your forex account for free, best for beginners. Okay, just tap this one. When you tap this one, you wait for this one to load, and it's going to take you to a particular interface. So it's going to take you toward this particular interface. Okay, so upgrade the way you trade. So you are going to say try free demo and register. Just press or tap this register icon. All right, then you wait for this one to load. All right, we are now going to wait for this one to load. Then it takes us to this particular home page. Welcome to Ethnic. So now the country or region, select the country. Let's say you're based in Nigeria. All right, so you just select Nigeria here, and you enter your email address. Okay, enter your email address here and enter what? Your password. Okay, so you enter your email and you enter what? The password. So just enter your email address here and enter what? The password. The password must be between 8 to 15 character, which means like it tends to have what? One uppercase letter, one capital letter, one small letter. It has like what? Numbers, and it has like character. So all of this stuff here must be marked. Okay, then you scroll down, leave this one here, forget about this partner code, and you tap what? Register. All right, you have created your account. One thing you need to remember here is remember the password and the email you use. So after you have created your account, the next thing you are going to now do is that we are going to go to what? Our App Store or Google Play Store to download or install our app. So when you arrive in your App Store or Google Play Store, just come to the bottom or at the top and type Xness. Okay, you see Xness Trade Online Trading. You tap here. When you tap here, you are going to what? Just install this. All right, mine is saying to update, so I'll update this later. So you just like what? Download or install. All right, then after which you are now going to enter what? The email and out of what? The password that you used to create your account earlier. Then you are now going to log in to your account. Okay. When you log into your Xness app, this is how the apps looks like. Okay, you are not going to see like this stuff. I'll show you shortly how to like go about creating the account folder. So you are going to see account here, trade, insight, performance, and profile. So you have just like what logged into your account. First, you what created your account. Now you have installed the app, and now you have like log into what the app. But the next thing you need to do is what to verify your account. Just like you are going to the bank to go open a bank account. All right, you will be asked for what document verification. This can be utility bills. It can be a form of identification document. So the same thing apply here. So what is going to happen, you go down to this profile icon. Okay, you go down to this profile icon. When you reach this profile icon, you just tap here. All right, when you tap, probably from your interface here, from your interface you see verify account. Just tap then you just follow the verification process. You are supposed to verify your personal details, so you enter your name and your last name as it is what in your identification document. Okay, you enter your name and your last name. It should match the same one. For example, I'm Joseph Cisse. So Joseph Cisse should be on my ID card, not Joseph I Cisse. It's going to be two different individuals. So after which you have like you enter your personal details. That's good. You enter your phone number. You need to verify your phone number. Make sure the number you are going to enter is what you are close with to the phone, because they are going to send you code. So you need to confirm. Enter your email address for this personal details. Also enter your email address. When you enter your email address, they are going to send you email. They are going to send code to your email. Just enter that same code, then you are done with the personal details. Identity verification. Now from here, your personal details, you mention like you are Joseph Cisse or you're Mr. A, Mr. B. They'll ask you to upload a document. So the document can be a form of national ID card, passport, driver's license, and a related document. Then you have residential address verification. You need to prove like here, if you claim to be staying in Nigeria or in Sierra Leone, you need to what prove like here you have address for Nigeria. For Sierra Leoneans, at the back of the national ID there is address. You can also use your driver's license. You can use bank statements. You can use utility bills. What they must be valid for at least 3 to 4 months. Okay, and your name must be included in this particular document. After which you are done. All right, after which you are done with what the verification. Then now we are now going to move to how to create what your demo account. You don't need to create your real account. Don't forget you are a beginner. You are just like about to start trading, so you need to practice first with your demo account. I'll show you how you can go about like creating your demo account. So first, what is a demo account? Demo account is like what an account which is being provided to you by your broker. So you can use this to understand the platform, how to deposit, how to withdraw, how to set what leverage, lot size, how to go about placing your trade. So you become what familiarized with the platform. The next thing is like it's going to help you to develop what a strategy. Okay. Please note, it is very important for you to use what a demo account first. The demo account is going to let you practice trading with what fake money, but you are going to be trading the real market. This is where you learn without losing any money at all. So how do you create a demo account? You go to the top here where you're seeing this plus icon. You tap this plus icon. All right. Then at the end of the day, you come down here, go to continue. Then you have already downloaded or installed MT5, the MetaTrader 5. We are going to come to this shortly. Tap here. All right. After you tap, you're going to say real account. You don't want to create real account. This is demo account. So you tap demo account and you select your currency. There are different currencies. So I'll recommend you leave this to USD. You can use Naira and you can use the Ghanaian cedi, the Kenyan shilling, and the likes. Then maximum leverage. What is leverage? You can watch my technical analysis playlist for more details on this. But to cut it short, leverage is the fund which is being borrowed to you by your broker. All right. Let's say now you want to open one standard lot. For you to open one standard lot, you need like 100,000. All right, dollar. So out of the 100,000, they might just say, okay, provide $10. We are going to provide the remaining balance. Why? Because you are using leverage. So I'll advise you to leave this to 1:2,000. Okay, you have 1:1 unlimited, but don't go to this one. Leave this one to 1:2,000. Then this is where you are going to place your nickname. Okay, this is where you can place your nickname. So let's say Joe Zhao Demo 2. All right, so you can just enter your name here and you save changes. Then after which you continue, tap continue. Now This is very important aspect. Trading password is the password used to log in to your MetaTrader. So we have downloaded MetaTrader 5. So we are going to use what? Some of the details here in our XNS account to connect to our MetaTrader 5. So what are you going to do? You are now going to create a password. So let me just say JSC 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 at. All right, so let's just look at this. So you say what? JSC. Okay, so let's make with cap and JSC 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we have met all these criteria. So don't forget this password, because this password is what you are going to use to connect to your MT5. Okay, this is the password you are going to use to connect to your MT5. Then I'll tap create account. So you see, we have what Josao demo 2, right? So this is demo account, and this MT5 means like you need to download the MT5 app. If you download MT4, you will not be able to connect this account, because why? This account is what? MT5, MetaTrader 5. Okay, so now your account balance is 0. So how do you deposit fund in your demo account? You get to see here deposit. You tap here deposit. Only deposit what you can afford to like deposit in your real account. Let's say now you can afford like $100 when you are going to start trading real. Make sure you deposit $100. So we have now $100. If you want to withdraw this $100, you can, let's say you want to withdraw 50. You can tap again and reduce at any time. So we'll leave this to 50. So we are now good, right? The next thing we need to do now is like we are now going to connect what? Our demo account to our MT5. Then I will show you guys how to place your trade. Okay. So now to connect your demo account, what you need to do is like you see this area here where you see details, right? Tap these details. Then you go to the top here, you see settings, tap settings. Then we are going to focus in this area, trading platform MetaTrader. So this is our login details. So the first thing you need to do is like pay attention here, okay? You see this server, copy this server. So after you see copy to clipboard, XNS MT5 trial 15. So let's go now to our MT5 account. So we are now in our MT5, okay? This is our MT5 account. So for the Android users, you will see setting at the top, and for the iOS users, you see setting here. So you go to your setting, okay? Press setting, and you go to new account here. Tap this new account, and you go to the bottom here. You see enter company or server name. Just paste the server name we have copied. Okay, so you get to see here XNext Technology Limited. You tap in. So now you see the server XNext MT5 Real 17. The server name should be what? The same as the one in your XNext account. So the one in our XNext account was XNext MT5 trial 15. So you tap in and you look for what? Trial 15. It is very important. Otherwise, you will not be able to connect what? Your account if they are completely different. If they are completely different, you will not be able to connect your account. So we have here what? XNext trial 15. So now this is what? Our server. Okay, now let's go to our portal again, XNext, and copy our login details. So this is now our login, right? You copy your login and you go back to what? To your MT5 and paste. You remember the password we created when I asked you, like, don't forget this. So our password was JSC 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 at. Okay, then you can now tab login. So now we have logged into our demo account. If you tap setting, you are going to see demo. All right, this is our demo, and the name which you use here is going to appear. You can change this name at any time in your portal. So now we have connected our account and we have $50. How are you going to start trading now? I'll show you how to place your buy trade and your sell trade. Then in upcoming videos, I'll show you how to understand the market more. All right, you can join our Telegram community. The link is in the description. Hope you are finding value so far. You can also join our WhatsApp channel. The link is also in the description of this particular video, or check the comment section. Just click the link. All the resources are available for you for completely free. If you want to join our online mentorship, you can send a private message to us by Instagram Ask Joseph Say concept. We have 1 month mentorship for complete beginner, or if you are like a trader that is not profitable, we'll be able to guide you through. So let's continue. So now you go to quote. This quote is where you get to see what your currency pairs. But first, this is a little bit messy. Let's clean it up. Go to this pencil icon and just tap everything here. All right, let's just tap like everything. All right, then let's leave this one. Then now let's add our currency pairs. So these are the currency pairs that I recommend if you're a beginner. Go to the chart icon, just add EURUSD. EURUSD. You also type again GBP USD, and you also type USD JPY. Then you go back. So let's delete this one. Right, let's delete this one. So these are the pairs that we are going to trade. Now, if I want to place a buy trade, when I say buy, it means like what? I'm expecting the price to go up or increase in value. So I'll just tap this pair and tap chart. Okay, then if I think the market is going to go up, I'll enter for buy. If I think the market is going to go down, I'll enter for sell. I'll explain more about this one. This is stuff that we teach in our mentorship. So you go to the top here. All right, then you can just enter the lot size here. You have different lot size. Just check my playlist so you understand that. Then at the end of the day, let's say you want to enter for buy, tab, you agree, accept. Okay, then you can now enter for a buy. So you have opened your first trade in your demo account. So this price here is the entry price, and this price here is what the current market price. I will make videos about this in the future. So we are currently in a loss. Okay, we enter for a buy, so we are expecting this price to increase, all right, to go high for us to be making profit. For you to open a sell trade, for you to close this trade, you just go like this and you close. Okay, so how do you open a sell trade? You see sell here, you just tap sell. Now you are expecting the price to decrease. Okay, we are now making profit, some sense. Okay, if you want to close again, you slide like this and you close, or you go to this three icon here and you tap what? Close losing position or close all position. You get to close at all time. All right, so far hope like this one is like helpful. This one makes a lot of sense. So we have lost like a little bit of sense, right? So now the final thing is like, if you go to the chart here, this chart here shows you like what the performance of what the buyers and the sellers. Okay, so when you see these red candles, all right, when you see the market dropping like this, it means like the sellers are pushing the price down. So in this type of market, you want to look for what? Sell opportunity. You want to be selling. Okay, then when you see like this market moving to the upside like this, you want to be looking for buys because the buyers are pushing the price up. So each candle shows you price movement. The green on the blue one here, all right, I'm using blue for my buyers, means the price went up, and the red one means the price like went down. Okay, this red one means the price went downside, and this blue ones mean the price moved up. So the color depend on the trader. Okay, so I've showed you guys how to place what your trade. I'll talk about risk management in upcoming videos and all. So here are some common beginner mistakes you also want to what know. Number one, don't open too many trades. Like you want to open like what? Too many trades like this. You end up what? Blowing up the account. Okay. Number two, trading with emotion. You need to what? Be disciplined. You need to exercise patience. Wait for your trade to play out, and don't go borrow fund your school fee when you're going to start trading your real account to deposit, or you take your school fee to trade. It is not advisable. Okay, using money you can only afford to lose. This market is very volatile. If you take your school fee, you go borrow fund to come trade, you might end up losing the money and you might just go to prison, and we don't want that. Okay, if you avoid this, you are already ahead of most beginners. So yes, you can start trading forex using only your phone. You don't need perfection. You need patience and discipline. You need to start small, stay consistent, and also focus on learning. If you found this video helpful, fam, I'll appreciate if you like this video and also subscribe. I post beginner friendly fun content, all right, on daily. Okay, and if you want the exact trading app I use, check the link in the description. All right, all the brokers that I use, I trade forex, I trade crypto, I trade static indices. I'll see you in the next video. Stay blessed, fam. I'm Josao from Sierra Leone, West Africa.